Welcome back to another episode of Mom Monday, or whatever. Fuck it, just go. Just go to the gun store.
It's Gun Store Mom Day.
Oh
right.
God, it's not.
Oh no, okay. LA Noir with Mom.
Well, it's a Thursday thing. It has to rhyme with Thursday.
It doesn't really have to rhyme.
Yes, it does. It has to be, because I got.
It's Mom Day every day.
Go in the gun store before people start getting mad.
We're playing LA Noir.
We're playing LA Noir very badly.
This is day 2. Well, it's day 2 videotaping.
Wake up, Cole.
Really?
Yeah, it was 2 days. So
Should
this
we be
episode-
recording this like us arguing? Okay, let's go to the gun store. First, I'm gonna look for it.
No! In the gun store! No!
I'm pretty sure there's stuff.
Oh my God!
Remember? There was stuff. Remember?
No, just.
I think there was stuff. Oh yeah, maybe this isn't the scene of a crime, right?
No, it's not. We're just investigating.
Officers Phelps and Dunn. Can you tell us anything about this gun?
Nothing.
Smith & Wesson, Model 27, registered Magnum. Chambered for .357, nickel-plated with pearl grips. Same gun used by General Patton.
You're not suggesting he's the owner.
No, I'm not.
You seem to know a lot about the weapon.
I ought to. I sold it. You know, this piece will stop a rhino. These babies are only available special order. Here's my Smith & Wesson order book.
You mind if I take a look?
Be my guest.
This guy is very.
This is about something bad, right?
Model 27 with pearl grips, Cole.
Alright,
You see it on there?
Looking for a pearl grip Smith & Wesson nickel plated.
Right.
Yeah. Right there. Right there. Up, 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 up.
Let me find it. Wait a minute. Pearl grip.
It's
Right
working.
there. Right? Pearl grip.
We're in luck. Errol Schroeder,
Schroeder.
203 South Glass Street. Ordered the gun in February 46.
Errol Schroeder.
Thanks, you've been a big help.
Anytime.
Dude, he told me.
Always happy to help out the LAPD.
He's a bit of an asshole, but he really was helpful. No. Just go back to the car. Oh my God. It's a duck. It's a
This
duck.
doesn't pertain to the case.
Nothing, not helpful to the case.
All right. Fine.
This is gonna be so sweet. Just go. 2 days ago, it's just ammo.
I doubt it.
I doubt
I
it.
doubt it. It's just nothing.
Not much help.
Okay. Let's just show everybody the stuff in the basement.
Nobody cares. They're like, but Errol Schroeder. We know who he is. He killed him.
Not everybody knows there's a shooting gallery.
You think that bucket could be important? Are you sure that the killer didn't take a pee in it before he killed the guy? I bet you can bust this guy for having illegal gun range in the store. And back to the.
Do we call it in?
Let's see if he's at home. Owning the gun doesn't prove he pulled the trigger.
Okay. In for a penny, in for a pound. Lead the way, Gunga Din.
Please clear up 5-mile radius
Jesus!
wasn't so hard, was it? Just because we're in uniform doesn't mean we can't use our initiative.
I guess so. Seems a little too good to be true. One-of-a-kind murder weapon bought locally using a real name. If Schroeder's our shooter, he's no criminal mastermind.
Most of them aren't. That's why they get caught. 2 out of every 3 crimes are done on impulse.
Another fact from the Phelps Encyclopedia of Thin Air. You really are full of it.
Jesus!
When is America going to understand? It's not about getting, it's about giving.
Sir,
My star.
when people were making this, they're like, you know what? Only doors with gold handles.
Schroeder, apartment 2.
Are you sure it's not Jay Sherwood or R. Wood? R. Wood. Ah. What was this apartment? Are you sure? The only apartment. How helpful. It's not.
So what next?
What do you guys want?
I'm Officer Cole Phelps. This is Officer Dunn, Wilshire Division. You're the owner of a Smith & Wesson Model 27, nickel-plated with pearl grips?
I might be. What of it?
Then you'll be surprised to know that Scooter Payton was murdered tonight. with your gun.
You're out of your mind. Scooter, he works for me. I have that gun here in my drawer. What the fuck is going on here?
You're under arrest, Schroeder. Cuff him, Ralph.
No way. You're not taking me down for this.
Oh, shoot. All fighting. Oh, I got this. I'll get you. You're gonna die.
You ready, tough guy?
Use your damn buttons. Oh, you're breaking my collar. See this? But there's just
Oh yeah, headlock, and he's down.
what?
Ralph, you all right?
I'm fine. I hardly
that
felt
was
it.
awesome.
That's
He's lucky he caught me off
Last
guard.
time we fought him,
I
he
fought
actually
him.
got.
Keep an eye on him, Ralph.
This guy
I'm gonna
got
take a look around.
Except you did. You're missing your hat now. Better go pick that up. Search location thoroughly.
It's not a porn bag.
I thought it was. I saw a woman on the cover, and then apparently it was an alien. Okay,
It says Mystic Tales,
of porn.
not Mystic Tales of porn. Ew, his kitchen is really disgusting.
What is that?
Doesn't tell me anything.
Doesn't tell.
Doesn't tell me anything. All right then.
At least he is very important when he says it. He's like, this doesn't tell me anything. If I ever get big, I want to see it. It doesn't tell me anything. But no, this is fine. It doesn't tell me anything. It's fine. It's an apple.
I don't think so.
Are you sure? This could be the poisonous apple.
It is an item. I had to look at it. Apparently.
Apparently.
Oh, I don't want to look at the apple.
It's the apple. I knew I would see you again, my archness. God damn it, apple! Dude, got it.
Probably nothing.
It's a big green mug. Is that a bomb?
Optimistic, Cole.
I thought it was a bomb. I couldn't see it. God damn it. This is our partner. What's that? Is it the dresser?
This apparently is an important clue because
It's important.
List of names and a series of numbers. Floyd Rose's name is in this book.
Phelps, we can come out of this all bright and shiny with a commendation. Or stick our schlongs in a hornet's nest. Call it in,
Stick
partner.
our schlongs in
And
a
leave the
hornet's
book where you found it.
Our schlongs and this.
I don't know if that's really.
Where you found it?
Officer Phelps, badge 1247. Requested.
No, but the partner is like, put the book back where you found it. He's just like, alright. Ooh. Oh god, it's been 14 minutes. Oh my god.
That's probably long enough because we're going to the next I'm tired from fighting that scene.
Well, I think this is the next
What? Your turn.
one. Yeah, we
You dumb
fucking sons of bitches! Get in this line now before I lose my temper!
Excuse me, Sergeant, but...
Excuse me? Fuck you! You say another word and I'll break your fucking head and have you in the brig!
Some of us are here for...
I know why you're here, asswipe! I'm having a bad day, Private. Some people don't seem to want to get on this bus.
Didn't ask for your help.
He didn't ask for your help. Can you believe this guy? Who are you two? Abbott and Costello?
We're here for OCS, Sergeant.
So it's the three fucking stooges and you're here for OCS. God help this fucking country and the USMC. The Japanese will do the world a favor and kill you quickly. All three of you are on report. What are your fucking names?
Phelps.
Kelso.
Merrill.
Any other gentlemen for OCS? OCS is at Elliott. You take the Camp Elliott bus over there. This bus is for MCRD. This bus is for men who want to fight.
He's got it tucked in.
I know what ties look like, and a tie doesn't go down to your nipples, okay? It goes down to your
Cowboys'
belt.
ties do.
Well, he's not a cowboy, is he?
It could be a cowboy.
He's a sergeant in the military.
Well, you picked the right place, Cole. A city that needed an honest cop like a thirsty man needed water.
We both know you.
You'd heard the stories, but you weren't interested. You were here to fight the good fight, solve cases, right wrongs.
Oh, okay, they got a shooting one.
The force is like politics. There's no sitting on the fence. You have to choose sides. A brown paper envelope or a Greyhound ticket to Palookaville. It could only ever end.
All units to 211 in progress and shots fired at Westlake Savings and Loan, 1415 West 3rd Street. Unit to handle identifying code 3.
We'll take that. It's only a couple blocks from
14 Adam calling KGPL. We'll handle the 211.
Roger that, 14 Adam. Be advised, suspects are armed and dangerous.
Roger, KGPL. 14 Adam on route.
Make it quick, you guys. The cops are here. We gotta move it.
Find some cover!
Okay, that was awesome. How did I do that?
Weapons on the ground now.
Because I can't even see anything.
Fucking.
Why is nobody?
This looks like
Try for the front door. Keep your goddamn head down. Use the cover, Phelps.
Get on the way then.
LAPD, put down your weapons. The bank is surrounded. I'm offering you a chance.
copper. We don't know how many are in there.
Stay down.
We got them all? I think we got them, Cole.
There's a guy there.
Should be all clear.
I think he's still alive.
Lieutenant Hopkins
Now-
says anytime you reach for the shotguns, you're either going to end up dead or wearing a citation. So I guess
It's okay, Ralph. You did well in there. I'm glad you had my back.
Ralph.
Man couldn't ask for a better partner.
Anyway, that's going to be it for this episode. A good 20 minutes. We're done. Goodbye.